SB19 Ken is trying to compare perfection and excellent in front of Mr. Gary V. But Mr. Gary V insists only excellent in front of SB19 boys, not perfection. Also, Ken is figure out that there is a similarities of same experience that last time. They have shows and concerts that need to cancel with valid reason. Here's the story.
So I was actually going to ask you kung pipili ba yung perfection or you would choose
excellence, man. Excellence. And can I share one experience?
Ano po sulgarin eh? Dumating po ba sa utak nyo na para you were scared also that you would, like, ma-disappoint mo yung mga tao? Kasi po, na ano ko lang po kanina, kasi it was kind of similar sa nangyari sa amin. Itong nag-cancel din kami na amin mga shows and we were very scared kasi like, buong ano yun eh. Parang how many tours niyong kinancel natin that time?
Almost all the Asia tour po namin.
We were very scared. Like, hindi namin alam kung ano yung magiging reaction ng mga tao sa amin. And like, definitely, madi-disappoint talaga namin. So, everyone's really like asking, what happened? Bakit na-cancel yung mga tour namin? So, naisip ko lang kanina na, nasa isip ko ba yung gano'n?